Good morning, students. Welcome to your mathematics class. Today, in continuation with the topic of multiple and submultiple angles, I'm going to progress your class with new derivation of angles. You remember deriving the angles of 15 degree, then 75 degree, 105 degree and all sort of angles using your compound angle formulas? Correct. Now I will be again going with the submultiple angles of 18 degree, 36 degree and their multiples. 18 degree and its multiples say 36 degree. Then further proceeding with these angles 54 degree, 72 degree and so on. So the very important question you are going to have in this particular session, that how to find out these unknown angles, correct, and how this entire topic is going to help me out. Okay, now this is 18 degree, so I am here going to derive the value of sine 18 degree. How to find out the value of sine 18 degree? There is a question mark. So for that, let us begin. Theta is equals to 18 degree. Now, let us multiply both the sides with 5. So you are going to get here 90. The aim was here to obtain a 90 on the RHS side. So that's why I multiplied it with 90 degree. Okay. Now please split it into 2 theta and 3 theta. The two sets of angles in the submultiple and multiple angle groups you have already studied in the multiple groups. No. 2 theta and 3 theta. All the formulas of sine 2 theta, sine 3 theta, cos 2 theta, cos 3 theta are learned by you. Now for that, what am I going to do? Say for example this 3 theta I am going to take on that side. Now taking sine, since it's a question for sine only, taking sine on both the sides. Taking sine on both the sides, I am going to get here cos 3 theta. Okay. Now what is the formula for sine 2 theta? It is 2 sine theta cos theta. And what is the formula for cos 3 theta? It is 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. This is, I'm again writing, okay, so that you will understand that whose formula has been substituted here. Now you can all see a cos theta, a common factor. Let us take that common. So I am taking cos theta common. You are going to get 2 sine theta on LHS side and there. If I am going to bring that RHS on the LHS side, there is a minus sign. You can see all. Plus 3 is equals to 0. Now tell me, cos theta, can it be 0? That means theta is 18 degree. So can cos 18 be 0? No. So this part will be 0 then. Two factors. Either this 0 or this 0. This cannot be 0. Okay, if this cannot be 0, then what can be 0? Only this factor can be 0. In this factor, all of you please see, here cos square theta can be written as 1 minus sine square theta. No. So, I am going to make a quadratic polynomial. Say it is 1 minus sine square theta. So minus 4 plus 4 sine square theta, because minus minus becomes plus, that is going to become 0. Okay, so minus 4 plus 3, it is minus 1, and I'm going to write this particular quadratic polynomial in sine theta here. Okay, up to this I hope it is clear, so I'm erasing this one. See here, this is 4 sine square theta, 2 sine theta. Minus 1 is equals to 0. See, so this is a quadratic equation in terms of sine. Here the variable here is sine. So what is sine theta? We are using Sridharacharya's formula, the quadratic formula, the famous, that is minus b plus minus root over of b square minus 4ac. So it is making 16, and in the denominator it is 8. Correct? I hope it is clear. Application of Sridharacharya's formula or quadratic formula, it is 20. So in 20, square root of 20, you are getting a 2 common again, no? So that 2, this 2, here a 2, all cancels. And I am getting here, so I am writing here only, I hope you will understand. So this is root 5 and this is a 4. Now there is a point to be noticeable point here, see, plus minus, that means it is going to give us 2 answers. Yes, in quadratic roots are double, that is 2 answers always comes up. But can we have sine 18 double answer? No, we cannot have. So one answer will be there, no? So which one to select and which to be rejected? That's a very intelligent question, but that you can sort out very easily, because 18 degrees is an acute angle. No. So acute angle always gives you a positive answer because it's lying between 0 to 90. So which one is positive? See very carefully. Minus 1 minus root 5 is not positive. So I'm going to remove this one. But a reason must be given that why we eliminated the possibility of getting a negative answer of the angle. Because this is acute angle, and so the minus is rejected. Now I'm going to write down the value in this way. So sine 18, therefore we have derived here sine 18 as root 5 minus 1 by 4. Now, very important thing to tell you, you have to learn it. Yes, we have to remember, like we have learned another angle in class 10, from class 10 only, we have started the process of learning the formulas, learning the values of the angles. No, here in class 11 you have already came across very more angles, and this is one of it which we have to remember. Okay, now this is important thing. Why you know? Because using the sine 18, I can even derive the value of cos 18. So cos 18 can be written as 1 minus sine square 18 degree, see, and the square root here, correct? So in the place of the sine 18, we can easily substitute the value of, so 4 square is 16 here, correct? Now moving forward in the square root, and I'm opening this bracket, so it is going to give you 5 minus 1 plus 2 root 5 by 4. Why 4? Because the square root is over, but the square root is not yet over from the numerator part. See, open this bracket, okay, a minus b whole square formula I applied, and here it is. So it's giving what? See, 16 minus 6, so it's 10, no, so 10. So that means I'm going to write down again here the value of the calculation that is 10. Correct. See? Here. Okay. So, this is cos 18 degree. That is root over of 10 plus 2 root 5 by 4. Okay. Now, following with the same process, can we find out the value of cos 36, sin 36, sin 54, cos 54, then moving on with the 72 degree, you can see here. But first, I will take 72 degree. Why, you know? Because I don't have to find it out. It's already found. And why it is so? Because the relation of complementary angles, that is 18 degree and 72 degree, sorry. 18 degree and 72 degree are complementary angles. 18, 72. So, what can we conclude with that? Sin 18 will be equals to cos 72. Yes? So, can I put here cos 72 also? Yes, we can put. And this is cos 18. Can I write equals to sin 72? So, I found only sin 18. Thereby I found cos 18. Thereby I found cos 72, sin 72. So, see, 4 sets of formulas are out in front of you. Now, cos 36 or sin 36. How can I find that? Yes, definitely by using these known angle formulas only. This is going to help me out. Do we know the value of cos 2 theta? The formula? Yes. What is that? Either 2 cos square theta minus 1 or 1 minus 2 sin square theta. So, I'm erasing this part because 36, 54, how does it sound? It sounds like a complement again, no? So, if I can find out the 36 degree of sine or cos, I can even find out the value of 54s also. Correct? So, say for example, here it is cos 36. We can write this one very easily as 2 into 18 degree. I hope all of you agree with this fact, and I can proceed with the formula of 1 minus 2 sine square 18 degree. Isn't it? 1 minus 2 sine square theta. That is very important, you know, students. That's why I was telling you, you have to learn these formulas by heart. It should be there in your veins whenever you want. You will be coming across with the, it will come out like a flow of formulas. Everything should be learned very nicely. Sine square 18 degree. Yes, we remember the sine 18 just now derived. Root 5 minus 1 by 4 and a whole square here because it's sine square 18 degree. See here. Okay. Now again, when it will be squared, then it will become 16 and this 2 is going to cancel with that. It will come 8. So following that, again a formula, say 5 plus 1 minus 2 root 5. In the denominator, it is again 8. Okay. So this is 6. See, this is 6. So 8 minus 6 is 2 and 2 is common. See what I am trying to do here. This minus minus will become plus. So 2 root 5. Okay. And this is 8 minus 6 is 2. Okay. That 2 is common. If 2 is common, it will give you 1 plus the 2 root 5 from there also a 2 is common. So root 5. So it cancels down to 4. So you are getting cos 36 as what? Root 5 plus 1 by 4. And you know, cos 36 means it is, yes, I know you are definitely thinking the same. That is, which complementary angle does it match? Sin 54. Now, I would like that you all will find out the value of sine 36, and thereby you will be finding out the value of cos 54. Try that. Okay, so this is all about deriving the angles of 18 degrees, 36 degrees, 72 degrees, 54 degree, etc. But I would like to start certain problems, or I would like to show you certain problems based on these formulas, how they are going to help me. Cos 6 degree, cos 42 degree, cos 66 degree, cos 78 degree, and I need to prove it a real number, that is 1 by 16. This type of problem is not new to all of you. Why? Because you have already studied it. You have solved this type of problems in which chapter? Yes, in the transformation formulae. Okay, so I will be proceeding in the same flow because I think that will be convenient to you to understand that particular process. Now, when we are proceeding and when we are going with that process, we always try to collect the cos angles which are going to yield some known angles for me. That was my motto in that type of problem also, and here also I am going to follow the same here. So let us see that these were certain angles and etc. which are known to us, 18, 36, 54, 72. So let's see. So in this particular 4 kinds of angle, which is going to provide me certain known angles out of these sets. Fine. So I think about this 6 and 66. Let us collect it. So cos 6, cos 66 degree, and I am going to multiply a half outside because I am going to apply a formula of 2 cos A cos B. What is that? 2 cos A cos B, that is cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B, isn't it? Now this is one and another, the left out parts, that is cos 42, 2 multiplied here, cos 78. See students, is it clear or not? Half for this one, half for this one, because the formula is like this. Fine. Now I will apply the same formula I have just now written for you. Now what it is? Half. 6 plus 66 degree. So it is giving you 72, and that is known to us. No. Then 66 minus 6. It is also known to us. See? Then here, can I multiply this 1 by 2 outside, so it will become 1 by 4, correct? Now here 42 with 78. So when it is added, it is going to give me 120 degree. And when subtracted, it is going to give me 36 degree. Look at very carefully. The cos 72 and sine 18 are same actually, no? Just now discussed about it. So I can apply the value of root 5 minus 1 by 4 here. Cos 60 degree, that is half. 120 degree in second quadrant, that is minus half, cos 2 pi by 3. Cos 36 degree, root 5, just now found. But during examination you have to learn all of them, otherwise it's a big problem for you. Now you can all see what am I getting here. Now you have to go on calculating this part, and you will be getting what? You are going to get that required answer, but before that, let us simplify this. Here also. Okay. So this is 4, 4, 4. Leave it. What is the numerator? Root 5 minus 1. What is the numerator here? It is root 5 minus 1. So I am going to erase this first line here, because now we have reached to the calculation part. So it's 1 by 4 cube. Now it is root 5. See what I was root 5 plus 1 and root 5 plus 1 and root 5 minus 1. So I hope you understood this, what I am writing here, or no denominators. So this is 5 minus 1, that is 4, which is cancelling with 1 4 from the denominator, and 1 by 4 square, that is the one I actually required here, no? So I have shown you all the each and every step of the calculation. I hope it will be clear to all of you that one by one how we achieved what was required here as 1 by 16. Okay, so this is the first problem based on this. So this is the one. Second problem, sine pi by 5, sine 2 pi by 5, sine 3 pi by 5, 4 pi by 5. First let us understand what is the meaning of pi by 5. That is 36 degree. Pi by 10 means 18 degree. So pi by 5 will be 36 degree. 2 pi by 5 will be, yes, that is double of that, 72 degree. Okay, so here it is like 3 pi by 5, 4 pi by 5, so multiples of 36. Now, this is not very convenient to us because we are getting more and more large angles here. Fine. So, one thing can be done. You would say that, ma'am, we can find out the values of these larger angles and we will substitute, we will multiply. So, this is going to become a product of 4 then. I would like to reduce this particular workout by using a simple trigonometry, that is, what is sine pi minus theta, that is sine theta. So I hope you have till now understood the thing what I am trying to do here. What about sine pi by 5 and sine 4 pi by 5? Have a look on that. Can I write sine 4 pi by 5 as sine pi minus pi by 5, and further sine, and this is happening very nicely because in second quadrant, no, sine is positive, so there is no change in the sign also. See here, that means sine 4 by 5 and sine pi by 5 is same. This is the one I wanted to tell you how to reduce your work. And similarly for 2 pi by 5, I am not writing, I am not showing this. You have understood, I think, the fact that why it is sine 3 by 5. Fine. So that means what? The product of 4 is now reduced to product of 2. So this is the thing, and I can start the LHS part. I can start the LHS part. That is this and a square of it. See, sine square pi by 5, sine square 2 pi by 5. Okay. Now what is pi by 5? 36. I am erasing this fact. What is this? Sine 36, sine 72. Now I have written for you the formulas of sine 36, sine 72, that is cos 18 only. So we will substitute the formula and see. I just wanted to show you. So they have given such type of pairs only, so that my calculation is automatically very easy, no? So just the thing here to substitute, but there is a square. So if there is a square, then the square root is already over. From the very beginning I can remove the square root and the 4 and the 4. Okay, so here you can see this is whole square. So square root is over, 4 square and 4 square So 16 into 16. In the numerator I have 100 minus 4 into 5, that is 20, by 16 into 16, and this is 80. So I can cancel it out, and what you are going to get, the required thing, what you needed here 5 by 16, and this is what you are getting, yes or no? So the RHS is out now in front of you. Okay, so you have seen the derive in the entire session, what you have gathered from this particular video session. You have gathered the derivation of sine 18 degree, and for the more angles, and 2 problems I did for you based on these angles. Okay, so I would like you to practice more formulas and more, like you would practice this type of problems what I have done here for you, and this will definitely help you out to do the problems which will be coming in the examination. Okay, so practice well and have a good day.